In today's video, I'll show you how you can use a TubeLab coupon code for a discount. So let's get started. So first of all, go here into their website by using the link in the description. Once you're here, you want to click on login button on the top right. And then you can continue with your Google account or with your email depending on how you'd want it to proceed. So I'm just going to go with Google for an easier time. And now once you're logged in, you'll now be proceeding right here. Next is that you want to go into pricing on the top right. And from here is that you want to go for the pro plan on the monthly plan right here, because our coupon code will not work if you go for a team or if you go for yearly. So it's only going to work on the monthly pro plan, and click on upgrade your plan. So this would be great if you are just testing TubeLab out and see if it's the right fit for you. Then our coupon code is perfect, as this would get you to pay less in testing the TubeLab with the paid plan. So in here is that you want to click here on add promotion code once you're here in the checkout page and type in our coupon code, which is niches20. Now you want to click on apply. And from here, you'd now be able to see that you would now get 20% off for a month. And then all that's left is to provide your payment method and information right here and click on subscribe. And that's it. You have now used our coupon code with a discount. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.